All right, fig lovers, this is Ross the Fig Boss. I hope everybody had a very happy holiday season. I hope you guys have a happy and healthy new year. I have been hard at work here working on my website, figboss.com, because I've already published over the years so much fig related information that it's actually kind of hard to sort through and find the information that you guys need. I'm sure a lot of you guys have said exactly those words. So, what I've done is I've created three directories on my website. The first categorizes and sorts through all of the articles I've written. Believe it or not, I've written 160 different articles on figs. So if you scroll down here on the main page, you can see what are called jump to buttons. So if I wanted to learn about problems, pests, or diseases related to my fig tree, I can click on that and it will bring me down here to where all the articles are about that subject. So I've categorized every single one of them, and I've done the same thing for my videos. I've published close to 1,000, if not more than 1,000 videos now on YouTube. How do you find the information that you want to find out? You go to the video directory here on my website. And it's the same thing at the top here. We have a jump to buttons. Maybe you want to learn about caring for your fig tree. You do that. And now you got all the videos here related to caring for a fig tree. The same thing with varieties. We created a variety directory. There's thousands of varieties that exist. I had a variety directory actually on my blog many years ago. It crashed, it had a problem, and I could not get the data back. And it would have took me many, many days to fix. So I created a whole new one that basically won't crash and is much more user friendly. So the same thing has these jump to buttons here at the top. Let's say we want to learn about varieties that starts with the letter P. I want to find, let's say, Paradiso. Well, here's a nice little card. It's got an image, the name, a little description, and then we can click on that, and it brings us to a new article or a product page that gives you so much more information about that particular variety. As an example, the Paradiso fig has got like 4 or 5 different strains and different sources. So you can find out exactly what you need to know to learn more about these fig varieties. I thank you guys here for watching, supporting me. This is just something that I was able to do to pay you guys back to make this so much easier. Thank you for watching. We'll see you for the next video.